The key to the high performance and cost-effective machining lies in the right combination of material, tool, and the most ideal application conditions. Our top products are miles ahead of their competition and provide you with the desired added value of speed, strength, and longevity. For high performance in the HPC area, roughing and finishing, we recommend to you our first choice product FightMax 231 for a cutting depth of 1x D, or FightMax 233 2x D, or the alternative 234 3x D. Our high-end milling cutters make all the leading competitors look out of date with respect to their tool life, feed rate and flexibility. We have set a new standard through special microgeometry, well-defined cutting-edge rounding, tight production tolerances and high surface quality. Another special feature of our FightMax products is the end face of the milling cutter. It's specifically optimized for a 45-degree plunge into the material. Ultimately, our Vericon coating ensures long tool life and thermal resistance.